Hi friends. Motor vehicle accident claims forms the largest chunk of general insurance claims. Since it is the largest in number and quantum, naturally the leakages are also high under this segment. Today I will share with you a story of an attempt to make a fraudulent motor claim which failed. It was early 80s and a person purchased an old Ambassador car for 15,000 rupees and got it insured for 25,000 rupees. Since it was normal to have difference in prices based on the upkeep and maintenance of the car, irrespective of the make and model, there was no suspicion and the policy was issued. And you know what the insured did? After about 3 months, he took the car to the high ranges, and on the way to a hill station, from the top of a hill, he pushed it down to the ravines. Intention was to claim the total loss, saying that the car has accidentally lost control and fallen into the ravines. A clean profit of 10,000 rupees. Big amount in those days. Unfortunately, to his bad luck, manager of another insurance company was following him. He was going to the same hill station on a holiday with his family. Since he was going for a holiday, he had his camera ready by his side. Seeing this unusual and suspicious thing of two people pushing the car down, he took 2-3 photographs with the number plate very visible. The insured came back, filed the claim for total loss. The branch manager of the insurance company came back, took enough copies of the photographs and circulated among the insurance companies in the city and also to their regional offices, controlling offices. By the time the car total loss claim was about to be paid, came advices, instructions from the regional officers cautioning about a fraud and be careful in case a claim is filed for this particular car. Needless to add that the insured lost his money, lost his investment, and also his reputation. From the car to a cow. It's a common thing to pay cow death claims. However, the incidence of cow death claim was high from a particular locality. The insurance company has decided to conduct investigations against claims reported from that locality. The claimant from that locality got little bewildered, frightened when he knew that the insurance company officials are coming for an investigation. Reason: the cow insured was black in color, while the one died was uninsured, black with white patches. He thought he can outsmart the insurance company officials. He immediately, hurriedly made a paste out of charcoal powder and oil. And this was painted to all white patches on the body of the carcass, dead animal. Insurance company official came, saw the body and was convinced. However, for taking a photograph, he wanted the body to be moved to a location where there is more sunlight. To his surprise, there was a sort of black paint on the hands of the people who pushed the body. Cat was out of the bag. Poor farmer lost his animal, money, and also his reputation, prestige. Insurance company learned a lesson. What they did was they have conducted a detailed inspection of all insured animals in that locality, and wherever policies were taken, insurance was taken selectively for few animals. Say a farmer having 8 or 10 animals taking insurance for 2 or 3. All the policies were either cancelled or the farmers were told to take insurance for all his animals, so that the chance of uninsured animals dying and clandestinely claimed as the insured animal. This can be prevented. From a cow to an elephant, there is a gap of 3 days. I will come back after 3 days with a story of an elephantic fraud. Till then, bye. See you.